singing lullabies. The mountains breathe, the fireflies will dance, and every leaf was moving in a trance. The wolves were calling far beyond the storm, yet in the wild I never felt alone. The earth beneath remembered every name, and in her arms we all return again.
Hear the drum of the ancient ground, heartbeat rising with the sacred sound. Close your eyes and let the silence speak. There's a kind of love the lost ones see.
Oh, carry me home through the forest light, where the spirits run and the stars ignite. We are smoke, we are rivers, we are free, bound to the roots of eternity. The night is alive, feel the fire inside, peace in the wind, love in the trees, the whole world breathing in harmony. Hey oh, ashes to the sky and the rivers flow. Hey oh, we belong to the earth below. Morning dew upon the cedar skin, golden sunlight waking everything. No more fear inside the human race, only quiet hearts and open space. The birds compose a hymn above the lake, and every soul is finally awake. No kings, no walls, no poison in the streams, only living slow inside the dream.
Hear the drum of the ancient ground, every shadow turning into sound. Raise your hands into the morning breeze, love was always growing in the trees.
Oh, carry me home through the forest light, where the spirits run and the stars ignite. We are smoke, we are rivers, we are free, bound to the roots of eternity. The night is alive, feel the fire inside, peace in the wind, love in the trees, the whole world breathing in harmony. Every drop remembers. Listen to the flame, nothing truly ends. If your heart is tired, lay it near the pines. The forest keeps the secret, forest heals the mind. Oh, carry me home through the forest light, where the moon and the earth unite. We are dust, we are water, we are flame, and every living soul's the same. The sky opens wide,